This is your sign to get the new Silhouette heat pen. Hey craftmates! Today we'll be testing out this heat pen on a mirror cardstock. First, press and hold this button to open up your Silhouette Curio 2. Press this icon to begin charging your electrostatic bed. Place your paper to your machine. If you have thicker paper, then just add washi tape to secure. Open your Silhouette Studio, go to Page Setup panel and choose your machines. So we have Silhouette Curio 2 and your tray with electrostatic bed, cutting mat with protector sheet only, and of course your media size. So I use A4 size of mirror cardstock. So now you can lay out your design. I add this text love, and this is where I want to apply my foil later. Then select the design you want to foil, go to Specialty Tools panel, choose Heat Pen and add lined embossing pattern, then apply your settings. I use spacing 0.025 cm, angle is left to 0. Go to line style and change it to purple color because later we will have different blade settings for each lines. Before adjusting the blade settings, you might want to turn on the heat pen so it's already heating up. Heating up your pen takes 2 to 3 minutes. Silhouette heat pen is wireless naman, making it more convenient. That is also why I super love this heat pen. Once you're okay with your design, go to send panel and line option. So I use 3 color lines, purple for foil, and blue for scoring, and red for cutting. Now I'm going to show you how to add foil action in your material. Click Add New Material Type and rename your material. Click Edit Settings for Curio 2 and choose Foil. Now go to Courage 2 and click the plus icon, then add Foil Action. Now you can edit your settings. And then don't forget to save your settings. And now we are ready to send it to Silhouette Curio 2. Apply your foil to the paper with washi tape to secure. For better foiling results, make sure it's smooth and stretched. Once we're done foiling, I now start to score and cut. Here are my settings for scoring lines. Blade 1, force 20, passes 1, and speed 4. For cutting lines, we have blade 5, force 25, passes 1, and speed 4. Remember that every blade settings depends on your material, your mat, and how long you've been using your blades. After cutting, now you can apply glue or any adhesive that you want. And here's the final result. Follow for more Silhouette tutorials!